Alright guys, it's Paladin Airsoft with an unboxing this time of the Airsoft GI $5 patch mystery box, or envelope. I bought 2 of them, and I'm not really expecting, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to, I mean my odds are really against me for the gift certificate, but you get $4 patches, you get 2 $4 patches for like $5, really 6 or 7 after shipping. So I mean it's pretty worth it, and it'd be cool just to see what I get. So yep, let's get started. Alright. Very odd. Okay. Move that out of the way. There's the receipt. Yep, so the total was $13 because just the subtotal, $10, two $5 packages, and I just paid for the cheapest shipping. It was like $3. So let's move this one. So yep, let's get this one open, and I'll show you what I have. Oh my god, I just got patches. Alright. So I got Maxpedition patches. This is cool because it's one, I think it's one patch, but that's a Maxpedition patch, and it's, yep, that's the only one in there. But it matches. I have a Maxpedition Saber Cat bag, which is also one of my favorite bags to have. It's a, wow, this is a Velcro. It's like not, it's an owl, but it's like a weird material, and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's what was in that one. I'm guessing it's probably about $5 or $6, $7 patch. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal right there. Let's move to this one. This looks like another, it's another one of the same material patches. It's not like the, I don't know, it's not like the fabric patches, but the HIPAA one, and that's actually, it was pretty cool. It has it's just Velcro. I don't think it's an Maxpedition. It's just a regular Airsoft GI patch. So yeah, that's pretty happy because that's probably more than $10 that I paid. So yep, alright, you'll probably see that on my vest or my bags or something I carry. So yeah, we'll see you later in our next video. Alright.